Yo man, it's MarcosTVG, and today we gotta restock dog food. So we headed to my local co-op, and I'm gonna show y'all what brand of dog food I get. Hopefully they let me record on the inside, which I doubt they're gonna say something. But I'm gonna let y'all know when we get there to the next scene. Alright man, so we at the co-op. I'm gonna show y'all what dog food I get. Dog food I be using right here. This is puppies and dogs, all this. The best kind you can get right here. I don't know if we're gonna make it. I go to the other room. That's the one that made the boo boo look funny. That's not it. Okay. So if I want to go for fast on regular day. I know for a fact I gotta get a puppy food for the week. This one ain't it? Yeah, that one got a hole in it too. What about this? Nah, we'll stop it. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I do that. Hey, excuse me. Y'all don't mind if we record, do we? I'm a YouTuber. I got a lot of views on YouTube. Alright. Cause they be asking me a lot of questions about what kind of chains I get out of this. I want to show them that I get a 4 for my dog. So you do 4? All the people asking what kind of chains I get for my dogs, I use the 4. I mean the 1/4 inch. And I make it about like about this long. That's a good little length for your dog. Little space for them to run around and stuff. Yo man, it's MarcosTVG back with another video. Y'all know we're coming. Before we get this video started, I need for y'all to follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be Marcos5 with 2 eyes at the end of it. That's Marcos5 with 2 eyes. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright. So this is what I use for my chain setup for the people that don't know. Run a double big clamp like this. This is gonna wrap around the other piece of the chain around the stake. Go up in the ground. I already got a hook at the house, so I didn't need the hook. You're gonna need the lock, a swivel, and a hook, but I already got the hook at the house. That's all I run for my chain setup. Got a super premium dog food. We got the Victor super premium dog food. This is the beef and rice. This is the regular super premium kind, the plus kind. To the next scene so we get to the house. Alright. I know this nigga Joe Googie. Alright. Alright, man, when I was in the store, bro, I'm not used to talking in the store or something like that, bro, so it was a little awkward, so I was talking low. But as I was saying in the store, man, this is what I use for puppy food. I feed Twix puppy food because hopefully she took. And when your dog is pregnant, it's best to feed them puppy food because they got puppies in them, and everything they eat goes straight to the puppies. So this is what I got for Twix. And I got this for 2. Switching on the healthy side with the foster them, less protein. More on the rice and grain side with all my dogs. I'm gonna see how this works. So we're gonna get us a try. I just like to switch around dog food. Sometimes you always gotta figure out what works best for your dog. So I'm gonna try this with everybody, see how this works. Also, Donna gotta come out his cage and he's going back to the chain. So, gotta get my boy a chain set up ready for him. And that's what we're gonna work with. Matter of fact, let's try to compare it to the other chain. Hopefully I got it long enough. I wasn't even paying attention.
Midnight.
It's pretty decent. Pretty decent for gone. For all the people that think my chains is just a different type of chain, they all the same chains, but when it's just, but this is a new chain set up for Gunner. We're probably gonna be putting Gunner right here for the fella. I'm gonna add him a little additional part on the inside, make it stuff longer. So this is what Gunner probably gonna be at 9 out of 10. Midnight is gonna be running loose. So we're gonna have Midnight running loose. Gunner gonna be able to reach here and all this. So I'm probably gonna hook my boy right too. That's gonna be a good little spot for him. Just give him some room and stuff, run around and stuff. Got plenty of shade. Got a pool and everything. But all right, y'all, enough of going right now. We're finna go ahead, do the dog food for everybody. MarcosTVG to the next scene. All right, y'all. Sorry for that little break. We had to put Gunner chain in the ground, as y'all can see. Had to get him off the side of the house up there because he was starting to make the house stink. So we gave my boy a good little sit up outside. Nice little chain in the ground. He gonna kill all this grass. Get it looking like everybody else. That boy active. Ain't that right, big boy? I think he like being on chain mode anyway. He got more room. Do whatever he want to. He got to chain the water in the pool. Y'all can see Bella been doing a lot of digging, throwing dirt off in it. Off this backside over here. Threw a lot of dirt off in that girl. Making the water dirty. But alright, y'all. If I know I said I was gonna do a feeding video, I already got one on the channel. I'll probably do one later on, probably tomorrow or something. And if y'all wonder how I put a chain in the ground to make it like this, I got plenty of videos. I will link the feeding video down below, and I will link the chain setup video down below. Oh, and also we put Midnight off in a cage on the right. Cause everybody was looking on her. I didn't know she was coming to heat tonight. I gotta check my dates. So, hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog, man. It ain't nothing, it ain't too much, but it's something to post, you feel me? It's MarcosTVG. I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Come here, Gunner. Come on. Tell them bye.